Good evening, friends. In the last video, we covered very clearly up to LBP number 261. So, in today's session, let me talk about the 262. Sir, what is this problem? A puzzle they have given. Sir, here observe carefully. Dennis was solving a puzzle. Okay, sir, the puzzle was to verify a number whose cube ends with the same number itself. Okay, sir, whose cube is going to ends with the same number itself. So help Dennis to find the solution of the puzzle and write the code accordingly. Okay, sir, let me take that challenge. 262, right? Yes, so let me take this challenge. So it's a very simple 3. What is a 3 cube, sir? 3 cube is nothing but a 27. Is it ending with 3? No. Sir, 4 cube is what? 4 cube is nothing but I think 64, right? Yes. Is it ending with 4? Yes. So that is nothing but the simple logic, sir. Nothing is required. Directly I will go with implementation. So problem is very simple. So integer we have to read a number first. So scanf percentage d comma ampersand n. So we have to check one if condition. So if n cube, sir, percentage 10 is equal to n or not. So if yes, we have to print true, sir. Okay, otherwise we have to print false. So beyond that, nothing. I think precedence, all these things are correct, right? Yeah. So perfectly working, and submit the code for final approval. So you can see remaining test cases also passed, sir. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in C language for this program. Sir, same program I want to implement by using Java, sir. What about the 2 or 3 digit number? Aditya, it may be 2 digit number or 3 digit number. If you perform cube operation, last digit should be the same number. Okay, I think it is going to work for single digit numbers only. Suppose even if 2 digit number came, suppose consider 12 cube. If you take, I think 144 or something like some xyz number came, means suppose 1713 something like that. So that number should be there here. Okay, but then you should not take like this or condition. You have to take then n percentage 10 means, so 100 means you can take 100 there. 100 means what? Last 2 digits you are going to get. Like that you can see. So somewhere in the beginning we have seen this type of scenario also, right? Maybe. Yes. So if it is a 2 digit number, small modifications we can do. So let me implement in Java. So I am taking scanner obj is equal to, so new scanner of system dot in. I am going to take so integer n is equal to obj dot next in time taking. Okay, so directly I think we can print sop system dot out dot println of n into n into n. So percentage 10 is equal to n means it will print either true or false. So because double equal to operator return type is true or false only, right? That's why. Now, so I want to go for Python implementation. So how you can able to implement this code in Python? Let us have a look once. So I'm taking Python code. So n is equal to int of input I'm taking. So I want to print sir true when, so if n into n or you can take n power 3, right? N double star 3. So percentage 10 is equal to n means then it will print true, otherwise it is going to print false. So perfectly working, and submit the code. So you can see here all the test cases are executed. This is nothing but how you can implement in Python. Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? I request everyone to please respond. Right, sir. Sir, what is the next program? So 263. Let us see what is this problem. Okay. Sir, in mathematics class, a number is being taught to the students. Sir, before teaching them tens and hundreds place, sir, they will taught the number positions. The positions will be starting from a sequence number 1, and the direction will be from left to right. Remember carefully. So first position, tens position, like second position, like that we have to take. So the positions are going to start from 1, and the direction is from left to right. So if I want to find the second position of the digit in the number 90876, it is nothing but what, sir? 0. So we should not count from 0th location. We have to start counting from first location. Okay, sir, if sir, the kth digit exceeds the number of positions, if kth digit exceeds the number of position, then return -1. I think this is a easy program only. I think if we are not calculating any numerical values, I mean mathematical things, I think directly you can use string concept. Let me try. Suppose let us analyze, sir, first. So in 90876, so they are asking two second position. So 0 1. So these two can be written as 1 plus 1, so that sorry, 2 minus 1 you can take, which will print this is 0. Suppose if 90876 3 minus 1, which is nothing but second location. So 0 1 2 8 is nothing but the answer. So first location means 9. Yes, we can read the data in the form of string, and we can do, sir. Okay. So please confirm, is the concept is clear for you people? Please confirm, is the concept is clear for you people? Hello. Gajendra, class lo unnanu. Oka 5 minutes I will be coming. Yes, sir. Now, sir, I want to read the index value, because after reading the string, we have to read index value. So first, let me read the string in the form of string I am reading. Okay. Then, sir, next new line character we have to take. Then only you have to read that index, because so we know that slash n is also considered. I think for integer there won't be any problem. If it is a character, then only problem will rise. Sir, directly I am printing the character which is located at s of I minus 1. That's all right. A simple solution. But if you take it as a number, then we have to do n number of activities. So we have to reverse the data first, then we have to calculate, like that n number of things are required. Oh, so here test case 4. I think in the problem statement some more condition is there. We have to return -1. Okay, so we have to check if the value of I is less than, okay, the value of I is less than strlen of strlen of yes, sir. So otherwise what we have to print, you need to print -1. So like that there is one instruction is there, right? Let me check now. Is that a failed test case 4 is working or not? Yes. So the primary condition we have to check. Let me go for Java implementation. In Java also same style or not? Yes, we have to take same style. So I'm taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system dot in I'm taking, then string s is equal to obj dot next line I'm taking. So then what we have to print, sir, integer I is equal to obj dot next int I'm taking, then system dot out dot println of sir the value of I is less than s dot length means, okay, then sir we have to print s dot char at of sir I minus 1, else otherwise we have to print minus 1. Let me run the code. Yes, perfectly working, and submit the code. Yes, working properly. This is nothing but Java implementation what we have. So let me go for Python implementation. Sir, I want to implement the problem in Python. Let us solve Python code, sir. I am taking s is equal to input. So n is equal to, sir, int of input I am taking. Okay. Sir, I want to print which value, sir, s of n minus 1. When when we have to do this, if n value is less than length of s, otherwise I have to print minus 1. That's all. Let me run the code. Yes, perfectly it is working, and submit the code. Yes, sir, you can see all the test cases are satisfied. All the test cases are satisfied or not? Yes. So this is nothing but how you can able to implement this program, sir, in all the programming languages. So hope it is very clear for you people. Sir, please confirm, do you have any doubts in this program, sir? Requesting everyone to please respond. Right, sir. Sai Prasad, why you have not understood here? See, very simple. First, I am checking the given index value is less than the size or not. Suppose if I am giving string as ABC, if I am asking the first character, we will get A. If ABC, second, if I am giving, I will get B. Suppose if I am giving ABC and then 3 means, sir, I am going to get a C. Suppose if I am giving ABC and 4 means what answer they are expecting? Minus 1. That's why if the value of length, whatever you are given, if it is less than s dot length, then yes, that index is available. So s dot character at that particular location. Otherwise, we have to print minus 1. Clear? Yeah. Sir, let me take the next program. Okay, let me take the next program. The next program. Yeah, yeah. You can ignore. You can ignore. Minus 1. Where I have taken. Yeah, yeah. You can ignore. No problem. Yeah, that's what I'm taking. That's why I have taken I minus 1. Suppose if they are giving 1, so according to their point of view, it is 1. But in my point of view, 1 minus 1, 0th location. Clear, Sushant? Sir, the next one what we have here is LBP number 64. I think it is also very easy concept only. Sir, in mathematics class, the students are being taught for power function. So A raised to the power of B is shown as A cap B, and calculation goes as A into A into A into A. How many times, sir? B times. Now, sir, there is a slight twist in the problem. The students have to find last digit of the resultant A cap B. Okay, sir, they have to calculate last digit of A cap B. A cap B means what? A into A into A into A, something like that. Suppose if they are asking, sir, 4. Okay, 4 comma, suppose if they are giving 4 comma 2, so 4 square, 4 square, sir, what is the 4 square? 16. They are asking last digit. Okay, suppose 2 power 10. If a 2 power 10 is there, what is the value of 2 power 10? 2 power 10, 1024, something like that, we maybe assume. So 4 is nothing but our expected answer. Like that we have to print. Sir, it is a very simple. Already some power functions are available in C and Java. In Python, power operator itself we have. Using that we can solve, sir. Let me try to do that program. So I'm taking C language implementation. So integer A comma B I am taking. Sir, then scanf percentage D percentage D. Let us consider ampersand A comma ampersand B I am taking. Now I want to print percentage D comma. Sir, power of A comma B we have to calculate. Whatever result you are getting, and I am typecasting to integer. Okay, so because we required integer value, so from that I am extracting percentage 10, so that we will get last digit, sir. So that we will get last digit. Let us run the code. Yes, perfectly working, and submit the code. Yes, perfectly working. This is nothing but what we have in C language. Let me go for Java implementation. I want to solve this problem by using Java. Let me take Java implementation. Sir, scanner obj is equal to, so new scanner of system.in. So integer A is equal to obj dot next int I am taking. Integer B is equal to, sir, obj dot next int I am taking, and I am calculating directly system.out.println of, sir, you have to typecast to integer. Math dot power function is there, which I am taking A comma B. Percentage 10, last digit. So perfectly it is working, and submit the code. So perfectly it is working. This is nothing but what we have in Java. So let me go for Python implementation. I want to implement this program by using Python. So how you can able to implement in Python? Sir, very simple. A comma B, because they have given the input in a single line. That's why I am taking tuple unpacking. So int of I, for each I in input dot split. Okay, sir, now print of I am taking A double star B, so percentage 10, that's all, which will give the result. So submit the code. So this is nothing but how you can implement the program. Okay, sir, any doubts in this program, sir? Please confirm. Yes, sir, what is the next one? Okay, what is the next program? Just have a look once. Sir, Aryan is studying 5th standard. Okay, he is very interested in mathematics tricks and always wanted to play with numbers. So Aryan would like to replace the existing number with some other numbers. Today he has decided to replace all digits of the number which is greater than or equal to 2 digits. Okay, which is greater than or equal to 2 digits, sir, by its squares. Okay, by its squares, and print the data in reverse order. So write a program to help him. Okay, maybe of course the logic is clear, but let me see the sample test cases, sir. Yeah, here you can see if the input is 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 is replaced with 1 is replaced with 1 square, 2 is replaced with 2 square, 3 is replaced with 3 square, 4 is replaced with 4 square, 5 is replaced with 5 square. mm, 25, but they asked the data in reverse, first 25, then 16, then 9, then 4 1, not this reverse. Okay, so every calculations reverse is required. It is very easy, it is very easy. Anyway, if you extract the digit, what digit you will get at very first? 5 only, right? Sir, 5 square is 25. That is our result. So extraction of digit program is there, right? Same program you have to take here. Okay, integer n comma d I am taking. So first we have to read the value of n from the user. So then while the value of n is not equal to 0, so d is equal to, we are taking n percentage 10. So here I am trying to print system dot out dot print of so d into d square, right? D into d. Sir, then n is equal to n by 10. Sir, not system dot out, it is a C language, right? So we have to take printf, so percentage d comma, okay, d into d. That's all, I think so. Sorry, two times. Let me check. Yes, perfectly working. And submit the code. So this is nothing but what we have, sir. Okay, this is nothing but so what we have in C language implementation. Once if you got in C language, then implementing the program in Java will become very easy or not? Yes. Let me go for Java implementation. So how you can able to solve this program in Java? So scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of system dot in, I am taking, then integer n is equal to obj dot next int I am taking, then we have to calculate the digits. So while the value of n is not equal to 0, while the value of n is not equal to 0, sir, what I have to do? D is equal to n percentage 10 I am taking. So system dot out dot print of, so d into d we have to print. Okay, then n is equal to n by 10 I am taking. Let us run the code. So perfectly it is working, and submit the code. So this is nothing but what we have. And let me go for Python implementation. I want to implement this code in Python. Nothing is there in the logic. Huh? Actually, Akshay, if the question is not in a reverse manner, suppose in the question, so what they have asked, have you remembered here? Observe carefully. So by its squares and print it in the reverse order, that this point is helping us. Suppose if this understatement is not there, first we have to do reverse operation, then same algorithm you have to apply. Because of that word we got some flexibility, that's all, beyond that nothing. Okay, yeah, that's what, correct, Sandeep. So let me take Python implementation, sir. So I'm taking n is equal to int of input. So while the value of n is not equal to 0, digit is equal to n percentage 10. So print of d into d. Okay, make sure that we have to take n is equal to empty. Then n is equal to n double slash 10. That's all. Let me run the code. Working properly, and submit the code. Sir, you can see all the test cases are passed successfully. This is nothing but how you can implement in Python, sir. Please confirm up to this. Do you have any doubts? Is the concept is clear for you people? Okay. Yeah, yeah. If it is opposite, first we have to reverse and then we have to try. That is for reverse. First we have to do reverse and then same logic. Yeah, yeah. Reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus d. Yes. Yes. Sir, the next problem what we have here is LBP number 266. Coding standards. Sir, Tom has joined in a new company and he is assigned a program code. But before starting to code, he needs to know the coding standards. Sir, he need to make sure that the variable name should meet the following standards. Sir, it contains only English letter. Okay, so it contains only English letters. Okay, sir, and or digits. Okay, digits also allowed, digits also allowed, and or underscore is also allowed. Sir, should not starts with a digit. Remember carefully, sir, compulsory. It is something like identifiers rules in our programming. It can contain alphabets, digits, okay, and then underscore. So but it should not starts with digit. Okay, that primary condition I am going to check. Sir, this program is a somewhat easy program only. Just have a look once how I am going to implement the code. But let me see some sample test cases. Regex also you can use. Yes, regular expression is also allowed. So ABC 7. Yes, it is true. ABC hash. Because of that hash, it is not allowed. ABC $C. It is also not allowed. So let me take C language implementation first. Sir, I am reading the character string and then I am going to take initially flag is equal to 1. It is a valid expression like that I am taking. Okay. Then I am going to read the string. Then I am going to read the string. So next what we have to do, sir, you need to fetch the characters one by one. For I is equal to 0, s of I plus plus. So I am checking. Okay, if your characters s of I is greater than or equal to small a, and if your s of I is less than or equal to small z, sir, or if this condition is not satisfied, at least look uppercase letters. Okay, uppercase letters should be there. Okay, or sir, it should equal to underscore underscore. Okay, or it may contain digits also, less than or equal to 9, greater than or equal to 0. So if this condition is satisfied, yes, it is primary condition satisfied. Now they told that first digit s of 0. Okay, s of 0 is greater than or equal to, sir, 0, and s of 1, sorry, s of 0 is less than or equal to 9. That means if the first digit is a number, then I am going to set flag is equal to 0, break the loop. Suppose if this condition is not satisfied, that means if the data is not in lowercase or uppercase like that, then you can print directly, sir, else. So flag is equal to 0 and then stop the program. Finally, so we can print the data. Suppose if the value of a flag is equal to 1, then I have to print the message saying true, sir. Otherwise I have to print the message saying false. Okay. Yeah, thank you. So that's all. Let me run the code. Is it satisfying in C language or not? Yes, perfectly satisfied. Yes. Sir, now I have to implement this program in Java. So let me try first with the help of regular expressions. Is it possible or not possible? We will see, sir. Okay. Sir, scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of system dot in, I am taking, then string s is equal to, so obj dot next line I am taking, sir, system dot out dot println of s dot matches. You can give regular expression here. So what is a regular expression? So they told that it contains English letters, digits, underscore. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. Sir, it can contain alphabets. It can contain capital A to capital Z. It can contain digits. It can contain underscore. So, but first first character should not contain digits. Second character onwards, digits are allowed. Any number of characters. That's why I have taken plus. If this condition is satisfied, such type of results we are going to get. Perfectly working. Okay. Yes, sir, same regular expression you can take even in Python also. Let me go for Python implementation. Okay, let me go for Python implementation. Sorry, A to Z, not A to F, sir. Sorry, A to Z, sir. Have you observed in my input? So A to F only I have taken. I mean, in my test cases, A to F only we have. That's why it is working. Have you observed? Sai, on Sai. Yeah, Akshay. Sorry, I thought that it was hexadecimal. That's why I have given F. So let me go for Python implementation, sir. I want to implement this code Python. Let me take in Python. Sir, I am taking S is equal to input. S is equal to input. Then, sir, print. Print. Sir, we have to import RE, sir. Okay, sir, I want to print true when, so if re dot full match of sir, what is the regular expression? First digit can be A to Z, capital A to capital Z, 0 to 9 underscore. So first digit can be same as this, but it should not contain digits. So second character onwards, anything. Sir, in where we have to search? In the string. Sir, if it is not satisfied, please print false. Yes, working properly and submit the code. You can see here all the test cases are satisfied. This is nothing but how you can implement in Python, sir. Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? Is this program is clear for you people? Please confirm. Right, sir. Why plus? Because it should not contain only 2 digits. If you take this alone, sir, what will happen? Suppose if your input is something like ABC, sir, first character is following this particular format, second character should be in this particular format. So they told only 2 characters. More than 2 is not there. That's why it will return false. So if you take a plus, what will happen? Sir, this thing should be mandatory. Thing should be mandatory. Then like this, you can take any number of characters. Okay. Suppose if you take star, sir, this one is mandatory. This one is optional. If you want, you can take. That means in this case, it will return true. So in this case, it will return true. But if you take a plus, in this case, it will return false. That means 2 characters, minimum 2 characters means you have to take like this. If they are asking minimum 3 characters, so it should be there means you have to take like this, minimum 3. So maximum any number of characters. Clear, Akshay? Let me go for next program, sir. LBP number 267. So what is this program? Party quiz. Sir, while sitting in a party, Tom came up with an idea of a quiz, and the quiz is Tom will spell out a number, and the person has to tell the number which is next to it. Okay, the person has to tell which is next to it, but this number has to be a perfect square. Excellent. Okay, so what Tom is going to do, sir? Sir, he is going to tell a number. For example, consider he told it 7. So what we have to do? You need to take next to this number, sir. 8, 9, so 10, 11, so 12, like this we have to take. Okay, sir, that number should be perfect square. Sir, is 8 is a perfect square? No. Is 9 is a perfect square? Yes. So we have to print that as a 9. Sir, it is a very easy only. I will implement. It is a math trick, sir. Beyond that, nothing. So they are going to give you a number. You have to find out next number to that, which should be a perfect number. Okay, sir, assume some test cases we will see. Have you observed, if a 5 is there, 9 is the perfect square. If a 7, 9 is the perfect square. If a 2, perfect square is nothing but 4. Okay, like that. Let me take C language. For this we have to take one infinite loop, sir. So scanf, I am going to read the value of n. Okay, so next I am going to take, for I is equal to 1, I am not taking any condition. That means what? Keep on it is running. So if I into I, if I into I is greater than or equal to n, that means suppose if they are giving 7. Okay, sir, what is the next number greater than 7? If any perfect square is there, we have to print that. So this loop is not going to check for our condition. This loop is to generate perfect squares. I into I, sir, 1 perfect, 1 into 1. Okay, which is nothing but 1. 2 into 2, which is nothing but 4. Sir, 3 into 3, which is nothing but 9. 4 into 4, which is nothing but 64, like that. So based on the input, suppose if n is equal to 7, 1 into 1, sir, 1, is it greater than 7? No. 2 into 2, 4, is it greater than 7? No. Sir, 3 into 3, 9, is it greater than 7? Yes. Then we have to print. Like that I applied. Beyond that, nothing. Oh my God. Sir, ampersand n we have to take. Sorry. Yes, perfectly working, and submit the code. Yes, this is nothing but what we have, sir. C language implementation. I want to implement the same program in Java. I want to implement the same program in Java. How you can implement in Java, sir? Sir, I am taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of I am taking system.in. So integer n is equal to obj dot next int I am taking. So integer I must be required. For I is equal to 1, condition we should not take. So if the value of I into I is greater than or equal to n, means, sir, you need to print system dot out dot print of I we have to print. At the same time you have to break the loop. Let me run the code. 1 minute, 1 minute. Somewhere the problem is there. Sorry, we have to print I into I. The perfect square we have to print. Yes, and submit the code. Sir, let me implement the same program in Python. Sir, how you can implement in Python? So we have to write for each loop, or you can go with a while loop, because infinite loop you can generate. I is equal to I am taking, sir, 1 while true. While true, sir, if the value of I into I is greater than or equal to n, then we have to print I into I. Then immediately you can break. So else I is equal to I plus 1. Keep on, you have to run. Perfectly working, and submit the code. This is nothing but what we have, sir. Please confirm, do you have any doubt in this program, sir? Right, sir. So let me go for next program. The next program what we have here is 268. Sir, be positive. Be positive. Okay. Write a program. Yeah, yeah. Immediate square. Yes, perfect square. Definitely. So write a program to get two inputs from the user and find a absolute difference between sum of these two numbers and product of these two numbers. Okay. Suppose if A and B are the inputs, absolute difference between sum of these two numbers and product of these two numbers. So this difference should be ABS, absolute difference. Beyond that, nothing. Let me go for C language implementation. Directly, I'm taking the program. Yes, big numbers are there, but let me try. So what is the first step, sir? Integer A comma B I am taking. Then, sir, scanf percentage D ampersand A comma ampersand B I am taking. So we have to print a percentage D comma ABS off. Okay, ABS off. What we have to take within this? Sir, A plus B minus A into B. That difference you have to take, which should be absolute difference. Yes, perfectly working, and submit the code. You can see all the test cases are satisfied. I want to implement the same program by using Java. Let me go for Java implementation. So scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of system.in. So integer b is equal to obj dot next int. Sir, system dot out dot println of math dot abs function is there, where the first argument is a minus a into a plus b, second one is a into b. That's all. Let me run the code. Perfect. And submit the code. Yes, all the test cases are satisfied. So let me take Python implementation, sir. I want to implement this program by using Python. Let us see how you can implement in Python. Sir, A is equal to int of input, B is equal to int of input. So print of ABS of A plus B minus A into B. That's all. That absolute difference is my requirement. So perfectly working. Yes. Sir, this is nothing but what we have. Sir, any doubts up to this? Please confirm, friends. Any doubts up to this? Please confirm, friends. Yeah. Sir, that's all about today's session. I will upload the running notes within a few minutes. You can download, sir. So tomorrow also we have a session as usual at 8 o'clock. Okay, with the same link. Please join tomorrow also. Yeah, thank you, friends. Yeah, yesterday video I will upload. Today and yesterday video I will upload.